Sandra Annette Bullock, born July 26, 1964, is an American actress and film producer. The world's highest-paid actress of 2010 and 2014, Bullock's filmography spans both comedy and drama, and her accolades include an Academy Award, a Golden Globe Award, 2 Screen Actors Guild Awards, and 3 Critics' Choice Movie Awards. She was named one of Time's 100 most influential people in the world in 2010. After making her acting debut with a minor role in the thriller Hangman, 1987, Bullock received early attention for her supporting role in the action film Demolition Man, 1993. Her breakthrough in the action thriller Speed, 1994, led to leading roles in the romantic comedy While You Were Sleeping, 1995, and the dramas A Time to Kill, 1996, and Hope Floats, 1998. She achieved further success in the following decades with the comedies Miss Congeniality 2000, To Week's Notice 2002, The Proposal 2009, The Heat 2013, Ocean's 8 2018, and The Lost City 2022. The dramas Crash 2004 and The Unforgivable 2021. And the thrillers Premonition 2007 and Bird Box 2018. For her portrayal of Lee and Tui in the biographical drama The Blind Side 2009, Bullock won the Academy Award for Best Actress. She was nominated for the same award for playing an astronaut stranded in space in the science fiction thriller Gravity 2013, which is her highest-grossing live-action film. In addition to acting, Bullock is the founder of the production company Fortis Films. She has produced some of the films in which she has starred, including Miss Congeniality 2, Armed and Fabulous 2005, and All About Steve 2009. She served as an executive producer on the ABC sitcom George Lopez 2002-2007, on which she made numerous appearances. Dubbed America's Sweetheart by the media, Bullock was also named the most beautiful woman by People magazine in 2015. Bullock was born on July 26, 1964, in Arlington County, Virginia, to Helga Matilda, an opera singer and voice teacher from Germany, and John Wilson Bullock, an Army employee and part-time voice coach from Birmingham, Alabama. Her father, who was in charge of the Army's military postal service in Europe, was stationed in Nuremberg when he met her mother. Her parents married in Germany. Bullock's maternal grandfather was a German rocket scientist from Nuremberg. The family returned to Arlington, where her father worked with the Army Materiel Command before becoming a contractor for the Pentagon. Bullock has a younger sister, Gesina Bullock Prado, who served as president of Bullock's production company Fortis Films. Personal life. On December 20th, 2000, she was in a private jet crash on a runway from which she and the 2 crew escaped uninjured. Pilot error and blizzard conditions were responsible. The crew were unable to activate the runway lights during a night landing at Jackson Hole Airport. Bullock won a multi-million-dollar judgment against Benny Daneshoe, the builder of her Lake Austin, Texas, home in October 2004. The jury ruled that the house was uninhabitable. It has since been torn down and rebuilt. Daneshoe and his insurer later settled with Bullock for roughly half the awarded verdict. While Bullock was in Massachusetts on April 18, 2008, shooting the proposal, she and her then-husband Jesse James were in a vehicle that was hit head-on by a drunk driver. They were uninjured. Bullock was once engaged to actor Tate Donovan, whom she met while filming Love Potion No. 9. Their relationship lasted 3 years. She dated football player Troy Aikman and actors Matthew McConaughey and Ryan Gosling. Bullock married motorcycle builder and Monster Garage host Jesse James on July 16, 2005. They first met when Bullock arranged for her 10-year-old godson to meet James as a Christmas present. In November 2009, Bullock and James entered into a custody battle with James's second ex-wife, former adult film actress Janine Lindemulder, with whom James had a child. Bullock and James subsequently won full legal custody of James's 5-year-old daughter. A scandal arose in March 2010 when several women claimed to have had affairs with James during his marriage to Bullock. Bullock canceled European promotional appearances for The Blind Side, citing unforeseen personal reasons. On March 18th, James responded to the rumors of infidelity by issuing a public apology to Bullock. He stated, "The vast majority of the allegations reported are untrue and unfounded. Beyond that, I will not dignify these private matters with any further public comment." James declared, "There is only one person to blame for this whole situation, and that is me." He asked that Bullock and their children one day find it in their hearts to forgive me for their pain and embarrassment. James's publicist subsequently announced on March 30th that James had checked into a rehabilitation facility to deal with personal issues and save his relationship to Bullock. On April 23rd, Bullock filed for divorce in Austin, Texas. Their divorce was finalized on June 28th, with conflict of personalities given as the reason. Bullock announced in 2010 that she had proceeded with plans to adopt a son born in January 2010 in New Orleans, Louisiana. Bullock and James had begun an initial adoption process 4 months earlier. Bullock's son began living with them in January 2010, but they chose to keep the news private until after the Oscars ceremony that March. Given the pair's split and subsequent divorce, Bullock continued the adoption of her son as a single parent. Bullock announced in December 2015 that she had adopted a second child and appeared on the cover of People magazine with her then 3-year-old new daughter. Bullock was in a relationship with photographer Brian Randall from mid-2015 until Randall's death due to ALS on August 5, 2023. Beginning in 2002, Bullock was stalked across several states by a man named Thomas James Weldon. She obtained a restraining order against him in 2003, which was renewed in 2006 after the restraining order expired and Weldon was released from a mental institution. He again traveled through several states to find Bullock. She then obtained another restraining order. On April 22, 2007, a woman named Marcia Diana Valentine was found lying outside James and Bullock's home in Orange County, California. When James confronted the woman, she ran to her car, got behind the wheel, and tried to run him over. She was said to be an obsessed fan of Bullock. Valentine was charged with 1 felony count each of aggravated assault and stalking. Bullock obtained a restraining order to bar Valentine from contacting or coming near her home, family, or work for 3 years. Valentine pleaded not guilty to charges of aggravated assault and stalking. She was subsequently convicted of stalking and sentenced to 3 years probation. Joshua James Corbett broke into Bullock's Los Angeles home in June 2014. Bullock locked herself in a room and dialed 911. Corbett pleaded no contest in 2017 and was sentenced to 5 years probation for stalking Bullock and breaking into her residence. He was then subject to a 10-year protective order that required him to stay away from Bullock. After Corbett missed a court date the previous month, police officers went to his parents' residence on May 2, 2018, where he lived in a guest house, to arrest him. He refused to leave and threatened to shoot officers. A SWAT team was called and, after a 5-hour standoff, they deployed gas canisters and entered the house where they found Corbett had killed himself. Corbett's death was the result of multiple incised wounds, according to the Los Angeles County coroner. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 vlogs.